Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to hide a page from the navigation menu in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first, go to sites.google.com. Then click on the website that you want to hide a page on. And go to Pages. Here you will see a list of the existing pages on your website. And let's say, for example, I want to hide this copy of Contact Us page that is duplicated here in the navigation menu. Simply click on these three dots next to it and click on Hide from Navigation. As you see here, now the page icon shows us a line on it. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video, an audio, etc. Also, how to create forms, maps, and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons, and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking, and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors, and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger Website Builder, and Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. As you see here, now the page icon shows us a line on it, and on the same time it does not show up anymore on the navigation menu. Don't forget to hit this publish button. Click on publish again, and just like that, if I go to my website, the duplicated Contact Us page is hidden from navigation. And this is how to hide a page in your website on Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.